Hey guys, I'm in a Burlington coat factory. It's the first one I've seen with safer Airmasters. But they are labeled ConTech and they're stamped. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. Need to make sure my lens is clean here. And then I think there's 3 in a row this way. A lot of them are pretty... oh, it's still blurry. There we go. A lot of them are pretty beat up. There's one there. And then if we go over here... So there's 3 rows this way. And there's an upstairs. I don't see any fans upstairs. But there are... And I'll just show you over here because there's better lighting. You can see one right over here by the restrooms. I actually need to use the restroom, so that's perfect. But I thought it was a pretty cool install, especially for a Burlington. So, okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, here's the front half of the store. The hall ceiling, you see there. 3 rows that way, plus a 3rd row over there in the lower portion. Okay, I'll put these videos together. Thanks for watching.